Have you ever had chilaquiles? This is the ultimate Mexican comfort food. Chilaquiles Verdes con pollo, which is basically a green salsa with chicken. It's tender, it's delicious, it's super easy. You can have it any night of the week, and you're gonna want to. Stick around. Hey guys, I'm Shereen. Welcome to my kitchen. So today I need to prep all of my chiles for our chilaquiles. So we have some green onions. I want to get those prepped. I want to get our cubanelles, our poblanos, get those prepped and ready to go. We're going to put these under the broiler along with our tomatillos, which are a Mexican husked tomato. These are really delicious. This is going to add great body to our sauce. So we're making a green salsa, and we're going to get this under the broiler because we want a nice blister that's going to add great flavor for our sauce. I've already sliced part of our green onion, and these are what we're going to use when we garnish the dish at the very end. So we have a bunch of garlic cloves that you just want to thickly slice. Just like that. Add your garlic. So I like to just quickly saute the garlic and the whites of the green onions. And then we're gonna add those to our tomatillos and our chilies to cool. All right, so our chilies have cooled. So these are our poblanos. I'm actually gonna leave the skin on because I want that charred flavor. Taking the heat out of the serrano by removing, see those seeds? They could be bitter and they can really pack a punch of heat. Now, if you love heat, which I love heat, but my daughter Isabella, she doesn't want the heat, so I'm gonna remove it for her. Chicken stock. So now we're just gonna puree it. It is so good. You can taste the char from broiling those tomatillos. It's so good. Just a little more salt and freshly cracked black pepper. Want to just remove some of that moisture in any of your proteins before you sear it. I want to sear this chicken, get a nice good caramelization, season with salt and pepper on both sides. So we have some cumin and coriander. So I'm just going to stir this, put it into a 400-degree oven for 40 minutes until the chicken is super tender. Cilantro, smell that. So fresh. So we're just preparing all of our garnishes while our chicken is in the oven cooking. Sour cream. Here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna actually deflame the onion. And I learned that from Rick Bayless. Actually, this entire dish, I was inspired by watching Rick Bayless on Channel 12 one day, and ever since then, I've been making it ever since. So this is my riff. This is my take on his amazing dish. So the reason why you want to put them in cold water, this is actually referred to as deflaming. So the raw, harsh, oniony flavor, what the cold water does is it pulls that out and makes them nice and mellow. So they're much more pleasant to eat. Just gonna let these sit and soak, and then we'll drain them right before we garnish. Oh, look at that. So now we're gonna let the chicken rest and then shred it. So now for the main part of this dish, tortillas. And tortillas that are already fried from the grocery store. I got these from Whole Foods. Another alternative is this brand right here. I actually like this brand. The salsa verde soaks into the tortilla chips, which makes it so satisfying. Monterey Jack cheese. The heat of the sauce will melt the cheese. Cilantro. Chilaquiles. You can make this in your slow cooker, your pressure cooker, your Dutch oven. There is no wrong way to do it. Use leftovers, eat it for breakfast, put an egg on top, shred some pork. Guys, you will love this. It's so good. And I know I have a whole mess all over my face. Don't forget to subscribe. And don't talk with the mouth full.